AML3D is a specialist metal technology business applying its patented wire additive manufacturing technology known as ARCEMY to produce 3D prints of complex industrial parts for the defense, oil and gas, and aerospace industries. The company is targeting significant growth in the US after its manufacturing hub in Ohio became fully operational late last year. Joining me today is AML3D's Chief Executive Officer, Sean Ebert. Sean, welcome to the Stock Network.
Thanks, Lel. Thanks for having me.
Now, can you start by telling us about AML3D's innovative technology and also how it benefits the company's clients in the defense, oil and gas, and aerospace sectors?
Sure. So we're a wire arc 3D printing technology company. Our technology utilizes traditional arc welding principles together with wire feedstock. And what we do is we actually create large-scale metal parts for defense, oil and gas, aerospace, and energy sectors. How it actually works is we create an arc using a traditional arc welding process, and that creates a molten pool of metal. We then utilize robotics to create the geometry of the shape of the parts. Why customers come to us is because typically we're 30% stronger than traditional casting and forging, and we're around 75% faster than traditional methods of manufacturing. And lastly, we produce at the point of need, which means we can eliminate the majority of Scope 3 carbon emissions, which implies we're very eco-friendly.
Fantastic. Now, you've also identified the US as a key market, and your new technology center and manufacturing hub in Ohio could play a pivotal role in your expansion plans. Can you tell us about this US growth strategy?
Okay, so we've established a technology center based in Ohio, which is strategically placed in the center of defense, aerospace, and oil and gas customers. That facility is now in place with the capability of manufacturing and delivering our proprietary 3D printing systems called ARCEMY, as well as being able to produce first article parts for customers. In terms of the markets that we service, the market and strategic market for us is really primarily the US defense sector with a focus on the marine industrial base. We've been very successful in securing alloy qualification work, parts manufacture, and sale of ARCEMY systems into the US supply chain over the last few years. And in terms of other sectors, we're also focused on entering and exploring the energy, oil and gas, and aerospace sectors over the course of time in the US.
Fantastic. Now, Sean, AML3D has already secured more than $19 million in orders since entering the US defense market in 2023. What opportunities for further expansion do you see in this sector?
Well, we've been very successful in the submarine industrial base, and we're now looking to expand into surface fleets and munition areas, which all fall under the marine industrial base scope of work. Separate to that, we're exploring land and air, that is the Army and the Air Force, to see how our technology can assist in those areas. Finally, with AUKUS, we're perfectly positioned by having the operating base in both Australia and the US to produce systems and parts for Australia, US, and the UK Defence Forces under AUKUS. In addition, we've also recently entered the UK market via BAE to start undertaking alloy qualification works within the AUKUS framework.
Sean, it looks like a very busy period for AML3D in a very fast-moving sector. Thank you for outlining the highlights today.
Thank you for having me, Lel.